In PowerPoint, if you need math formulas, you can go to Insert, find symbols, and from symbols, you can choose from equations. There are different formulas you can choose from the list, or you can insert new equation, and from different structures you can use your formulas. For example, I will use one of these from list, radical, integral, fraction, and I can choose one of them. For example, I will choose this fraction, 2, 4, and I can easily write different formulas in my PowerPoint slideshow. Okay, you can change your formula or you can combine them with adding different equations and create the mathematics you need. There are different symbols here you can use from them. There are basic math, geometry, or other type of symbols you can use in your PowerPoint slideshows.